Mm, mm, oh. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Douglas County, Central Todd County, West Central Morrison County until 1:30 p.m. At 12:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Canby, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and dime-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Other locations impacted include Bertram, Long Prairie, and Swanville. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Move to interior on the lowest floor of a building or a basement.